As you can see, I have the song which is too short for the video I have edited. To change the duration of the song, select the music track and go up to the Essential Sound panel. If you don't see this option, go up to Window, Essential Sound. Select Music here, open the Duration menu and enable this checkbox. You'll see two options here, Remix and Stretch. Remix is the default option and it's exactly what we want. Now this is where you can adjust the duration of the song to your desired length. It works both ways, you can make your songs longer or shorter. When you adjust this, you'll see where the cuts have been made. Premiere usually does a really good job at cutting and merging music seamlessly, but if you find that something doesn't sound right, you can open the Customize drop-down menu and adjust the settings. You can change how many segments there are and how dynamic you would like your song to be. This method is non-destructive, so you can undo all of the changes just by unchecking the duration checkbox and you'll get the unedited music track back. You also might have noticed that you can only adjust the target duration, which can be a few seconds different from the final result. If you really need the duration to be exact, right-click on the track and select Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. In the multi-track editor, you'll be able to find the same remix feature with more options, amongst which there is Stretch to Exact Duration setting. Now you can fine-tune the music track to your liking. So I hope that helped. Like, subscribe, and bye!